Good morning. Welcome to Sunrise Coffee. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing great, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. What can I get for you today?
I'd like a cup of cappuccino, please.
Sure. Would you like a small, medium, or large?
I'll have a medium, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Great choice. Would you like any sugar?
No sugar, thank you.
Would you like to add a pastry?
What do you recommend?
Our chocolate croissant is very popular.
That sounds delicious. I'll take one.
Perfect. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Your total is $8.50.
Can I pay by card?
Of course.
Here you go.
Thank you. Payment approved.
Great.
Would you like a receipt?
No, thank you.
Your order will be ready in about 5 minutes.
Thank you. This coffee shop is really cozy.
Thank you. Many people come here to study your work.
I can see that. It has a peaceful atmosphere.
Do you visit coffee shops often?
Yes, usually on weekends.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I definitely prefer coffee.
What's your favorite coffee?
I love cappuccino and latte.
Nice choices.
What's your favorite?
I usually drink black coffee.
Really? Isn't it too strong?
At first, yes, but now I enjoy it.
Do you work here full-time?
Yes, I do.
How long have you worked here?
For about 3 years.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I enjoy meeting different people every day.
That's nice.
What do you do?
I'm an office worker.
Do you enjoy your work?
Most of the time.
What's the best part of your job?
Working with friendly people.
That's important.
Absolutely.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm planning to visit my parents.
That's wonderful.
We usually have dinner together.
Family time is always special.
I agree.
Do you travel often?
Not very often, but I enjoy short trips.
Where would you like to go next?
I'd love to visit Japan someday.
That's on my travel list too. Elisa,
Yes?
your cappuccino and chocolate croissant are ready.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
The coffee smells amazing.
I hope you enjoy it.
I'm sure I will. Wow, it's delicious.
I'm glad you like it. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
How did you find our coffee shop?
My friend recommended it.
That's great to hear.
I'll definitely come back again.
We'd love to see you again.
Do you get busy during the weekends?
Yes, especially in the mornings.
I can imagine.
Sometimes we have long lines.
You must work very hard.
We do, but it's fun. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and listening to podcasts.
That's interesting.
What about you?
I like playing guitar.
Really?
Yes, I've been playing for 5 years.
That's impressive.
Thank you.
Maybe one day you can perform here.
That's actually my dream.
I hope it comes true.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I practice every day.
How do you practice?
I watch English videos, listen to podcasts, and speak with friends.
That's a great way to improve.
I also write a few sentences every day.
Excellent habit.
Consistency is the key.
Exactly.
Everything was wonderful.
Thank you very much.
I'll visit again soon.
We'll be happy to see you.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you for listening to today's English conversation. We hope this coffee shop dialogue helped improve your English listening and speaking skills. Listen again, repeat the sentences, and practice speaking aloud. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more daily English conversations. See you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day.